Washington State. You've got our mountains, you've got our Salish Sea, you've got our unbelievable islands and our working forest and our old growth forest all right here, reminding us that we are some of the most fortunate human beings to be able to live and grace this landscape and call this place home. Because it is such a great place to work and live and recreate, it also means it faces huge threats and challenges. And so to have a community groups come together where you have people who have been not always on the same side say, we believe in a vision, to develop that vision and then have the tenacity and the persistence. Now we have something through your hard, tireless work to pass on to our children. And I don't mean just this unbelievable mountain, but I mean the vision of how you can carry, hold, and be able to make sure we maintain that mountain so that we get to tell this story to our children and say, your job is to go find the next mountain to protect.